Hey y'all, I am coming on here today to share my experience with the As I Am Double Butter Cream, baby. This, oh, I've got something on my face. I just ate dinner. I figured I would try this buttercream because this is the third time that I have colored my hair with the hair paint. So the first time that I tried it, it was super dry. So I was spritzing it I spritzed it I think twice during the week with aloe vera juice. The second time I tried it, I said, okay, I'm not just going to put in a leave-in conditioner because that's what the directions said as far as putting in the color paint. Because I didn't like that feeling of, it wasn't crunchy, but it was dry. And so I didn't want it to feel like that. So I went ahead and purchased, I had the conditioner, but I'm going to do that in a separate review. And I tried this along with the conditioner. So it was super moisturized the second time I tried it. And so this is my third time around dyeing it. Actually, the second time I did get the gold. So I got a golden color and I had blended it. I should have actually took pictures with that, but I didn't remember. But I still have some of the gold left, so maybe I'll do it again where I mix the bronze, not bronze, the copper with the gold. So, and I love the way it came out. I brightened it more in the front and it got darker as I got in the back, so you can see the back. And I just put it up. I haven't brushed it. It's been a long day. But yeah, so I wanted to show you. And then what I like about this, it holds the twist out all week. Like, this is the best twisting gel. Like, even though it's coloring my hair, it's also styling it for the whole week. So it's like a 2-in-1. You can't lose with that. So, and it holds the twist better than it does all the other products besides the defining gel that I have by this one right here. Completely forgot the aloe vera, apple and aloe vera. So this product is one of my go-tos as far as styling products, but the curl paint is my second styling, because I would say this is because it's moisturizing, and this would be my second because it's a 2-in-1. You get to color your hair, plus you get the styling. So okay, I'm getting sidetracked. So this here, I gotta show you. I'm a sucker for consistency and texture. This looks like something you can eat. It's like a buttercream. Look at that. It is amazing. And not only because of the consistency, and I'll just dip my fingers in here so you can actually see the consistency. It's like a whipped butter, very buttery, but whipped like a whipped cream. And it's so smooth. I'm a sucker for that type of, like, this is like the best consistency I've ever had as far as a product. It's lightweight but thick at the same time. It's just so hard to really describe it. It's lightweight, but it penetrates your hair and it moisturizes your hair. It melts like butter right into your hair. I love this product. And it has the As I Am smell. So it's not a harsh scent, but it smells so good. It has I can't even describe the scent. It's not a perfumey scent, but it just smells so good. So I'm just gonna slap this in the back of my neck. Hopefully the color won't come out. I didn't put too much color in the back. I'm actually in the back. And I'll just brush it real quick. But I just had to pop on here. This was such a random video. I wasn't even planning on coming on here tonight. But I said, you know what? Let me just share this good find that I just thought I would try out. And this is gonna be one of my staples for real, because and it's a good price. I mean, it's a lot cheaper than the other products in the store, but the thing is, it's a smaller jar, so you're not getting as much product, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So I just wanted to share that with y'all, and I hope y'all are having a great day, and we will chat later. I am loving this color. It's growing on me even more the more I wear it. I love the color and the style of it. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't watched my channel yet, this is Natural Raw Essence, and register or sign up. Register. Just subscribe. What am I talking about? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.